What's up guys? Today we're installing this beautiful Corbeau bucket seat in Artems Mazdaspeed 3. It's gonna be sick. We already have one seat in, so we'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll get on to the passenger seat install. Alright guys, so these seat brackets are really easy. Basically there's 4 bolts on this section, on the sliding section, and the 4 bolts right here are what connect to the seat. So we're gonna mount this in the car real quick and just show you how it fits. Alright guys, so the seat bracket is in, as you can see. So basically there's 1 bolt hole right there, there's 1 bolt hole right there, there's 1 in the far corner right there, and then there's 1 right there that will need a little bit of adjustment. But all in all, it should be really easy. We're gonna mount the seat bracket right to the seat first, then we're gonna put it all in the car all at one time. See how we're gonna get this on. The pro strat to it is put it upside down like this on another seat. Grab the seat bracket and then mount this baby up. Alright guys, so when you mount this, you're basically gonna wanna put 2 bolts in first. It doesn't matter what side you start in, but I'm gonna start in the back side, and then since this bracket is a sliding bracket or adjustable bracket, you'll wanna slide it the other way so you can put the other 2 bolts in. So I've got 1 bolt in there, just gotta thread it in a little bit, and then we'll get started on the other side. Alright guys, so we're gonna slide this so we can get to the other 2 bolts and show them these ones. So now we have access to this one right here, and we also have access to this one right here. There we go. Alright guys, we're gonna put this bucket seat in the car now. I'll show you the strategy to not hitting your doors. You'll wanna go head first like this into the car. Yeah. Like that. Set it in there. Pretty easy. And then as you can see, you just have to kind of shake it a little bit, maneuver it into place. Should line up pretty good. Now we just got to put the last few bolts in and it'll be done. Alright guys, so these seats are way easy to install. There's basically 4 bolts that hold this down. There's going to be 1 here and 1 there, and we already did the 2 in the back just because they were way easier. So basically you just have to thread these bolts in just like that. You want to tighten it down, of course. You wouldn't want this, would be the last thing you want to be loose, because that could be dangerous. Oh, there we go. Sometimes you got to shake it a little bit, try to get it lined up in the right position, but that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is, guys. Just screw the bolts in a little bit, make sure they're nice and tight, and then try out your nice bucket seat. Also guys, if you're wondering why Artem's car is all taken apart, it's because he's doing some pretty crazy modifications. I'm not going to reveal any plans yet, but you guys will of course be updated as things happen. But yeah, this is about the position that you'll sit in the seat. It's pretty low, but not like too low. It's definitely comfortable, and I'm honestly really happy how it turned out. Say thank you to Jackson for helping me film. Go follow his Instagram. It has another Speed 6 build. His Speed 6 is being built by Evolutionary, going for like 500 wheel horsepower. So be sure to follow his Instagram, check it out. I'll put it in the description, and thank you guys for watching. All right guys, if you need any work done on your Mazdaspeed or really any platform, here at Evolutionary Performance, we can get you hooked up and get your car fixed. So be sure to call us or find us on one of our social media platforms, or just leave us a comment and we'll answer you right away. But thank you guys for the support, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.